So if we look through history, we have a lot of these screeching tires.
Oh my god, this really hurts.
A negative event, a catastrophe, an invasion, a war, a black plague, the Crusades, the Inquisition, anything that severely impacts reality and the thought process of the world. Now, there are artificial earthquakes, there are changes in the weather patterns, there are terrorist attacks which are staged. All of this stuff impacts the reality, and all that noise, all that screeching tires changes how we decode time, so that we're not decoding no longer the cosmic time. We are now, we have a damaged sense of time. We're out of sync. So I estimated that we have lost about 10% of our time. In other words, we are 10% out of sync with reality. Or 200 years, right? Over 2,000 years, we've been regressed 10%. That's where I came up with the figure 200 years, and I've written about this. So we should have been, this was in 2009. So in 2009, we should have been in the year 2209. But we were still in 2009. Then in 2007, as I've discussed, some of you might know, in 2007 a new reality system began to enter this field, to unspool in this reality. An entirely new system. I call this reality 6 because we were living in the 5th version of reality, and the new one in 2007 was the 6th reality. So the 6th reality was unspooling. In 2009, I estimated we were 200 years off. I thought that the new reality system, reality 6, what I called Dakala, I thought that was the new reality. But I was wrong. It was actually a transitional reality. It was a transitional system to help us get back to the cosmic progression of time, because we were out of sync. What happened was in 2000, from 2009 to 2010, we jumped 7 years. We skipped over 2012 and everything associated with 2012. This is another reason why I said there is no 2012, because we went from 2009 and we went to 2016 cosmically, but physically we didn't see that because we're attached to our time frame. So by the end of 2010 we went 7 years. So it was actually in 2010, at the end of 2010, we were actually in the year 2017. I've discussed this before. Of course, not many people listen. So we were in 2017. I estimated from the last 2,000 years we were 200 years off. So my calculation was that we should have been in the year 2217. This is in 2010. So on March 21st, last week, was a new year. So it's 2218. But our calendar says 2011. So now there's 3 levels. I think that our true cosmic time frame is 2218. I think that on a mid-level, if we add 7 years to 2011, it's 2018. So it is as a mid-level understanding. Because my 200 years comes from the past. So that's a deeper, let's say that's a deeper calculation. So we're in 2011, but the last few years we jumped 7 years. We've jumped over 2012. We've jumped past my original transitional period from 2007 to 2015. We went to 2017, now it's March 21st, we're in 2018. So I think at minimum we're in 2018, but if I calculate over the last 2,000 years, there's 200 years. So we should be in 2218. That's our goal, I think. Our immediate challenge is to get to 2018, which is probably impossible. Our ultimate challenge is to get to 2218, and as the years progress, to add to that.